very grateful. Are you ready to travel in a mathematics world? Today, we will learn about word problem in mathematics. What is word problem? A word problem is a few sentences describing a real-life scenario where a problem needs to be solved by way of a mathematical calculation. Why word problem is so important? First, because word problem require your knowledge of various different concepts to real-life scenarios. Second, word problem help children to familiarize themselves with mathematical language. The vocabulary in word problems such as like a viewer, altogether, difference, more, share, multiply, subtract, equal, reduce, and etc. Example, you may guess what's going on inside the picture. The picture talking about Murni going to school at 6:45 a.m. And then Murni wake up at 6 in the morning. The problem is, how long does it take for her to prepare for school? This is one example, the application of a word problem in our daily life as a children. So what do you think? Do you ever learn about this before? Or it's happened to you in your daily life? So this is one example of a word problem in our daily activity. But the hardest thing is using the part where you need to take the English word or in an Indonesian word and translate it into a mathematics. Example, the sum of 6 and a number. So you may write in a math expression 6 plus n. N is represent a number. Second, 8 more than a number. So you may express it as a y plus 8. Y is a hidden number that represents a certain number. A number plus 6. You may express it as n plus 6. And then a number decreased by 5. So you may express as n minus 5. The last one, 10 times a number. You may express it 10 times n. So those are the example of translating the English word into mathematics expression. Again, but figuring out the actual equation can seem nearly impossible. You may draw a model to help you to figuring it out. Example, Sally has 68 balloons at the beginning of her party. When the party was over, Sally had 20 balloons. How many balloons popped during the party? So you may draw at the beginning using the bar models. You draw the bar with the number 68 on it. And then, from the question, you will find the leftover is 20. Back to the question. How many balloons popped during the party? You may express it using a question number and then circle it. Be advised, to really learn how to do word problems, you will need to practice, and more practice. So how? The first step to effectively translating and solving word problems is to read the problem entirely. Do not start trying to solve anything when you've only read half a sentence. Try first to get a feel for the word problem. Try first to see what information you have and then figure out what you still need. Here are the problem-solving keywords for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In an addition, here are the examples of the keywords such as altogether, all together, combined, sum, add, and both, total, in all, plus, and etc. On the subtraction, how many more, how many are left, decreased, subtract, less than, fewer, change, reduce, and etc. While in the multiplication, multiplied by, factor of, multiple of, product, double, groups, each, times, and etc. And in division, divided by, separated, divided into, part, each, percent, and quotient. To help us to solve the problem, we use four steps as our way of thinking. They are data, question, solve, and solve. While data is the information obtained by reading and understanding the questions. The question part. This is the core problem or the ultimate goal of the problem. And the solve part. This is the processes of a counting operation in mathematics expression. And the last one, solve. So is the emphasis on a result in the form of statements. So how? I think all of you already understand. Don't forget to have more practice. Thank you for attending this session. Have a great day, grade 4, and God bless you.